All right, guys, good morning. Oh, I forgot to tell you who I am. I'm Susannah Cole from the Good Property Company. So I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have so many brilliant videos for you guys. And if you're new to my channel, have a really good explore. They're divided into playlists, so you can look up deal sourcing, you can look up raising finance, you can look up renovations, how to find builders, all of that in the different playlists. But also have a look at my website, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk. It is full of great education for you. So how do you make like 50 to 70 grand really easily with property? It's super simple, and it's a quirk of us being British. Now I'm talking to you right now in Barcelona. I live part in Bristol, part in Barcelona. I live 9 minutes from the beach. I'm about to do a workout with my friend Charlie on Zoom, and I thought I'd do some videos for you guys before. In Barcelona, in Spain, they sell property based on square meterage. So it kind of doesn't really matter how many bedrooms it's got. It's based on square meterage. They have some quirks. They sell it on usable square meterage, full square meterage, space with the walls, without the walls. You're like, yeah, whatever. Okay, so they still do their little twiddles. But in Britain, we sell property on bedrooms. I mean this with kindness because I'm British. We're mad. We're mad. Because why would we not be selling it in a logical European fashion on square meterage? However, you can take massive full advantage of that British quirk and make 50, 70 grand super easy by this following process. You buy a one-bed flat. It's got to have certain characteristics. The living room has got to be quite large. The kitchen or the bathroom has got to be the size of a double bedroom, or you've got non-load bearing walls that you can move to make the kitchen and or the bathroom the size of a double bedroom. So you've got a one-bed flat, or a large living room, a double bedroom already, and either the kitchen or the bathroom is the size of a second double bedroom. Got me? So you got some space. What you do is you take the kitchen and you put it in, they call it an American kitchen. It's just a wall in the living room. Let's be quite frank. You make it jazzy, you make it funky, you make it open plan kitchen, living room, diner, you dress it up, you look it gorgeous. But what you've done is you've removed a utility room, a kitchen, and you've put it into the living room, and you've called it something cool and trendy and made it look gorgeous. And then that kitchen, you turn into a second bedroom. Ridiculous. We're mad. But we pay 50 to 70 grand extra for it, and it's not going to cost you that much money. What do you need to do? You need building regs compliance because you're moving gas depending on how you're going to do the oven. You are definitely moving electricity, and you are definitely moving water, and those things need building regs compliance. Well, that's super easy. If it's a flat, which of course it probably is, you're going to need the management company, or if you've got a leasehold, you're going to need the freeholder permission. But generally, by law, they can't unreasonably withhold that permission, so they pretty much have got to give it to you. You may need to communicate with them about things like fire protection, because if it's now classified as a two-bed flat and not a one-bed flat, they may need slightly altered sprinklers, etc. So just get in touch with them, and they may quite understandably say, well, you've got to pay for that. I've done that before, no problem. And if you can, just if you've got space, depending, because again, we live in an Instagram society. Our youngsters, and I'm not a youngster anymore, our youngsters require, or would like to have en suites. If you at all are able to, in that bedroom where you move the kitchen or you move the bathroom in, if you can get an ensuite in, because you've already got pipework there, you've already got water there, so if you've got the space, squeeze a little ensuite in a corner, oh my lord, you're just winning. Because the other thing us Brits pay for, are, like Americans, are personalised bathrooms. So in a perfect world, what I'd have you do is I'd have you move a one-bed flat with one bathroom, one kitchen, one living room, one bedroom into a two-bed flat with two doubles, one with an ensuite and a bathroom and a American-style open-plan kitchen, living room, diner. So some of the tricks to that are, look at the hallway space. Do you need it? Obviously check your building regs and your fire requirements for how many doors you need between things like the kitchen and the hallway. But often with flats, there's an awful lot of wasted space in hallways and passageways. So can you reconfigure walls to kind of grab space to be able to provide more utility to the buyers and therefore more value, and therefore make 50 to 70 grand? Kind of simple, isn't it? Now, how about you rinse, repeat that strategy non-stop? How many of them do you need a year to make 100 grand? 2. How many of them do you need to make £1 million cash profit? 20. How many of them can you do in a year? Because you get to know it, it's a rinse and repeat strategy. Super simple, taking advantage of odd little quirk we've got as Brits, where we pay for bedrooms and not square footage, and we pay for ensuite bathrooms and luxury. I hope that was helpful for you. So what do I want you to do? Like and subscribe on the YouTube channel and enjoy all my videos. I've got a brilliant series planned for you, mainly based on questions you guys are giving me, but also how about you go over to my website, because I've spent a lot of time creating a really super education for you guys. You get packs, you've got online academies, occasionally I'll do live webinars, I've got pre-recorded webinars. There's really great downloadable education there, and lots of checklists as well for you guys. So have a good peruse, have a good mosey through that website, because it's really, really helpful for you. The most important thing you can do is learn things like these strategies, write your business plan, and then get started. I wish you good luck. Good luck to you. I hope you enjoyed that vid. There is a 101 lessons pack if you haven't downloaded it already, 102 pages. I don't stint. If you just click on the link over there, you can download it now.